Prudential Lighting Stream Reflector Installation Video. Before beginning reflector installation, test LEDs and confirm they are all lit. Parts included: reflector, hook, tape strips, and finish end plates. Tools needed: Phillips screwdriver, 1/4-inch socket and scissors. Step 1. Use a 1/4-inch socket to remove the trim and Phillips to remove the magnet. Step 2. Hang the reflector roll mat side down. Skip this step on rows of 8 feet or less. Step 3. If the ceiling has been painted recently, make sure it is cured at least 24 hours before applying provided tape strips. Test one piece if you aren't sure. Step 4. Use gloves provided. Unroll reflector and feed under each of the paint strips. Tighten up the roll to remove excess slack. Use a bit of blue tape to keep the roll from unraveling. Step 5. Push the reflector up into the fixture from the opposite end of where the roll is hanging. Push up from the middle of the reflector, not an edge. Push the reflector into position so no LEDs are covered and tuck any wire leads away. Step 6. Unroll at least 3 inches extra of reflector and trim. Do not undercut. Take your time, make small cuts in the reflector until it fits into the housing. You have about a 1/4-inch tolerance between the end of the reflector and the end cap trim, so you want to cut it to fit snug. Step 7. Reinstall the magnet with Phillips and trim with 1/4-inch socket. Step 8. Install finish end plates to the magnets at the end of row. Adjust as needed to get a clean fit. Cleaning instructions. We recommend alcohol wipes, an alcohol-based cleaner or water to avoid damaging the LEDs. For any more questions, please visit PruLight.com. Stream is under recessed linear, or give us a call at 213-746-0360.